Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create crumpled paper. So to get started, delete the default cube and add a plane. Scale it to increase the size. Now let's add a texture material to this plane. Go to the shader editor and create a new material. Next, add an image texture node and select the material image you want. In the UV editing tab, right-click to unwrap. Then subdivide the plane multiple times to generate a better simulation. If you have the Node Wrangler add-on enabled, you can just press Ctrl+T to automatically add the texture coordinate and mapping nodes. Next, let's start working on the simulation. Add a sphere and resize it to make it bigger than the paper. Then add a solidify modifier which will add more volume to the sphere. In the timeline, go to frame 0 and insert a keyframe by pressing I. Now let's go to frame 50, resize the sphere to make it smaller and add another keyframe. This animation basically helps us define how crumpled the paper will be. In the Physics Properties tab, add a collision property to the sphere. Go to frame 0 and hide the sphere. Select the paper and click on the Cloth Physics Properties. Choose the leather option. Also enable self-collisions so that the paper collides with itself. Change the friction to 15. Also change the bending value in the damping properties to 10. And don't forget to set the gravity to 0 so that the paper won't fall into the abyss. Once I press play, the simulation is created. Stop the animation once you're happy with the result. Then right-click to shade smooth and add a subdivision surface modifier with level 2. Now in the Physics Properties tab, we will bake the simulation. Set the frames to 100 and click on Baked Dynamics. Once the baking process has been completed, press play to review the animation. Now, if you want your crumpled paper to be a static model without the animation, go to your desired frame and apply all the modifiers. It is important that you apply the modifiers from top to bottom in order to avoid topology-related issues. You can also go ahead and delete the old sphere now because we don't need it anymore. And that's how you can easily create a crumpled paper in Blender. Thank you for watching.